Guys, is my voice clear? Sorry guys, there is audio glitch here. So welcome back to my session. In this video, I'm going to cover most important questions in critical reasoning and problem solving. These two means particular topics are most important in your examination. So I'm going to cover almost 50 different examples. In each and every example, I will repeat the concept and way of approach. You should learn the concept and approach for any specific questions related for critical reasoning and problem solving. So before starting my session, please like our video and share this information with your friends who are preparing for the different examinations. Definitely our content will help their preparation, guys. And like our video, if you like our video, it reaches to the maximum number of people. So without any delay, let's start our session and try to solve all these questions and post your answers in the comment section, guys. I will check your comments. Now here the question, if gold is written as IQNF, how wind can be written in that code? Guys, convert these each and every alphabetical into the number. I know you guys are good at all the alphabetical position and reverse alphabetical position. But I will help you out how to remember the alphabetical position. Now see, remember this word EJOTY. Just remember this word EJOTY. EJOTY. Guys, each and every letter is represented 5 multiples. Now everyone can easily remember T, guys. Why? Because T20 cricket. T is represented 20. Now see, while writing G, you can see the 7 shape, right? So here G is 7 and here O is 15 and L is 12 and D is 4, guys. In the same way, I 9 and Q is a 17. While writing a Q again, you can able to see the 7 shape. Here N is 14, F is 6. Now find the logic here. Here the logic is all about plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Guys, each and every element shifted 2 elements. Just go through this information. Wind. While seeing W, you can see the 3 shape. That's why it is 23. I 9. N is 14. D is 4. Let's add 2 units here. This is all about 25th element. 25th element is all about Y. And 9 plus 2 is equal to 11, guys. You remember that one of the IPL team, Kings 11 Punjab. That's why K is represented 11. And 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. While writing P, you can able to see the 6 shape, right? So this P is equal to 16. And 4 plus 2 is equal to F. So here answer YKPF. So A is the correct answer. Let's go through the second question. Now try to solve this question. Yes, very good, Naraki. Let's go through this question. They clearly represent that A is equal to 1, PAT is equal to 37. What is that? So you have to take alphabetical position. That is your reference. P16, A1, T20. If you go through the sum, it becomes 37. Based on the tab, T20 cricket, A1, P16. If you go through the sum, still the resultant is same. Here, tab can be represented 37. Yes, very good. Yes, very good, Akhil, Vani, very good. On to the next question. Let's go through the question. Here again, D is equal to 4. If D is equal to 4, pad is 7, then what is the value for A and D? Same according to this information, consider D alphabetically is 4 and B2, A1, D4. Some value is equal to 7, right? Same way, 1 plus 14 plus 20. So, end of the session, try to remember all the alphabetical position. I will repeat it every time. A1, N14, T20. So if you go through the sum, then the value becomes 35. Let's go through this question. Now see, H, K, U, G means FISH. What does UECD represent? H, 8th letter, K, 11th letter, U. See, UV creation. Remember that V is represented two fingers, victory. V is 22, U 21. And J, 10. Let's go through that. F is 6th letter, I is 9th letter, S is 19th letter, H is 2nd letter. We are subtracting 2 units from the question. Now U, V. See U, you know that U is equal to 21 minus of 2. We need 19th letter, 19th letter is S. V, 22nd letter, we need 20th letter, so 20th letter is T. C, third letter, 3 minus 2 is equal to first letter is A. So D is fourth letter, 4 minus 2 is equal to second letter is D. So answer STA. Go through this information. It's very good. Try to solve the question. Understand the question, guys, first of all. Now see, consequently is written as PEB, NP, JE, XN, KM. Then how soil is written as? My suggestion, guys, here there is a only one. Each and every letter is represented with other letter. Identify the question. How you are going to find the code language for soil? My suggestion here, identify these four letters which are repeated in consequently. If it is a repeated, then you can directly take the code language. I will help you out how to consider the direct code language. You can able to see here, the second letter is O and last fifth letter is O. If letter is same, definitely code language must be same. Go through that. Here you can see E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth letter is E. E. So directly you can take the code language from the given code. So what about the S? So S we need third letter. Third letter is N. So O you already know that it is E. What about I L? Now see, go through that. This is I. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth letter. Sixth letter is J. Finally L here. So last but one letter is K. So answer NEJK. Guys, remember that if you see these letters in the within the code language, directly you can find the answer in within the question. So B is the correct answer. Next, find this question. Now see, in a certain code language, C is represented 3, here is 30. What about the code for A? Guys, verify here. Sixth letter, fifth letter, first letter, 18th letter. What of those sum here? So sum become a 30. Same way here. H8, A1, I9, R18. Go through the sum here. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 18 plus 8 is equal to 26. Then the value becomes 36. 36 is the correct answer. Very good. Next, in this condition, go through this question. Now see here, Z is equal to 26, NET is equal to 36. What about the net? Answer this question. Now see here, Z is 26. Say again alphabetical position N14, E5, T20. Sum you will get 39. So here N14, U21, T20. Your sum value become 35 plus 20 is equal to 55. Next. Same way, faster in the calculation part. Now here the question, if F is equal to 6, MAT is 34, how much car is represented? F6 is all about alphabetical position. MAT 34, 13 plus 1 plus 20 is equal to 34. Same way, what about car? Third letter, first letter and 18th letter sum become 22. Next. Go through this question. Yes. So if Noida is written as STNIF, how Meerut can be written in that code? What is a code like this? Now see here, N is 14th letter, O 15th letter, I 9th letter, D 14th letter, A first letter. So S is all about 20th letter, sorry, S 19th letter, T 20th letter, N 14th letter, I 9th letter, F 6th letter. Now if you go through the information guys, see, it is increasing and it is decreasing. It is decreasing by 5 units. Now it is increasing by 5 units. Again it is increasing by 5, decreasing by 5, increasing by 5. It's all about alternative series. Now mirror 13th letter, 5th letter, 5th letter, 18th letter, 21st letter and 20th letter. So add subtraction. Plus 5 minus 5. Plus 5 minus 5. So 13 plus 5 is all about 18th letter is R. So here 5 minus 5 is all about, let's go through that N and S. So fifth letter. So here, let me check. 9 plus 5, 10 minus 5, 14 minus 5, 9 plus 5. Now 20 minus 5 is 15th letter. 15th letter is, let me check with the condition. Why? Because see, if you go for 5 minus 5, definitely you will get 0. 0. Okay, just go through the logic here. N, O, I, D, A. Why? Because it is not at all satisfy the condition. According to this condition, sorry guys, this is plus 5, right? 15 plus 5, 9 plus 5, 14 minus of 5. by ninth letter. Sorry guys, this is 4, right? I made a mistake here. Please excuse. It is a 1 plus 5. So all are plus 5. So all are plus 5. Yes, if you go through that plus 5, it's a 10th letter. 10th letter, both are J's. So here 23rd letter is W. 26th letter is J. Finally, 25th letter is Y. So answer R, J, J, W, Z, Y is the correct. Solve this question. See this question. In a certain code, forward is written as DPPHCU. How doctor can be written in that code? Sixth letter, 15th letter, R is 18, G7, E5, G20. Now here the information is all about D, fourth letter, P, 16th letter, again 16th letter, H8, C3 and U, 21. Now go through this information. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1. Doctor, G4, O15, C3, T20, O15, R18. Let's start with the minus 2. It's all about second letter P. So it's all about plus 1. 16th letter is P. Minus 2. First letter is A. B, B, A. Plus 1. It's all about 21st letter U. Minus 2. 13th letter. 13th letter is all about M. So finally plus 2. 20th letter. Sorry, plus 1. 19th letter. So 19th letter is all about S. P, P, A, U, M, S is the correct one. Try this question. Try guys. Try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section, guys. Now see, in a certain code, December is written as ERMB. The same code language, how ER, now which word we are coded as ERMBBEN. Must identify the logic. ECMBER is coded as ERMBCEDE. Observe one logic. If you see the same letters in code, so there is a follows jumble order. If you can't see the same letters, definitely it follows the series order. See, remember simple point. If you see all the letters in code part, definitely letters are jumbled. If you not see the same letters, definitely it follows series. Either increases one element or two elements or three elements. Now see here the information. Which word guys? You have to identify these one. Can be coded as ERMBBEN4. See, it's all about months, right? You can able to see that it's all about November. But let me tell you the logic here. First of all, you just write these two letters here. So here NO. You have to take here NO. Next logic here. Next one. Here CE, here CE. Write down VE here. Next one. MB here. MB here can be written as C. They took the MB here. You have to write in this way. NOVE M M B E R. So this is the logic. So if they have to represent here, they are represented here. So according to this logic, answer is now. Very good, Manaka. Next one. Let's go to the next question. Next one. Answer this question. Now RED is coded as 6720. How green can be coded? See, we have it three letters, but they represented with four digits. Same way, green is five-letter code. You can represent it with how many digits? According to the logic code. I identify the answer. Now see here, RED. So R is 18th letter and E is fifth letter. D is fourth letter. But they are represented with the 6, 7, 20. If you observe here, they are adding in this way 4 plus 2. Again 5 plus 2. Again 18 plus 2. Sum of alphabetical position from first position to the last position. And every time they are added 2 units. Same way, green 7, 18, E5, E5, N14. 14 plus 2 is all about 16. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So 16, 7, 7, 2, 0, 9. So C is the correct answer. Hope you understand the logic. Here first to the last, first element to the last element, alphabetical position plus 2. So that's the logic. Try to solve this question. So see here the question. If rose is written as TQUZ, how biscuit is written in that code language? 18, 15, S19, E5. T 20th letter, Q 17th letter, U 21st letter, G 7th letter. If you observe all the letters, each and every letter is shifted 2 elements. Same pattern here. Biscuit is second to B to I9. S19, C3, U21, I9, and T20. Go through that. Sum of two letters, it become 2. 9 plus 2, 11th letter, King's 11 Punjab. Remembering that. It's a K. 19 plus 2 is all about U. U is 20, 21. B is 22. And fifth letter is all about E. 23rd letter W shape. You can see the 3 shape. 9 plus 2 is the 11th letter is K. And 22nd letter is P. So answer D K U E W K. So after K you require B guys. D K U E. D K U E W K B. Guys, observe the difference between option number C and D. See option number C and D, there is the only last element is difference. That's why you have to choose D irrespective of C. Next. Try this one. Guys, everyone like our video. If you like our video, it reaches to the maximum number of students, guys. And share this information with our friends also. So kindly support our channel. So daily I'm going to take the live sessions in different topics. I'm going to cover both quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning. And I already covered couple of examples in my previous sessions. And I covered different topics also. So you can see the practice exercise, you can see the concept videos, and everything is available. I never delete any videos in my channel, guys. All the content is available. Learn the information, and crack your dream job. If you go through that any examination in your future, like after maybe a 6 months or after 1 year, so definitely round one is a written test. It's a combination of quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, and verbal ability. Improve all the information, improve your skills on these three subjects, which is most important. You have to choose one of the career. Definitely, any career connected with one written examination. Written test is a part of these three subjects. Out of three subjects, I'm going to teach you in two different subjects, guys. Both quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning. I will help you out, but I need your support from you end, guys. So share to the maximum number of people, like our video, and follow us in the Instagram and Telegram also. Yeah. Here the question C. In the word mental is written as LNDFM OSUZMKM. Then how would test can be written in that code? Let me check with the question once again. Something. Give me a second, guys. Something is wrong in the question. It's the right one, guys. No issues. See, but observe this question. How many letters we have? So we have 6 letters. But here total number of letters. If you observe total number of letters is 12. It means each and every letter represented two alphabeticals, guys. One letter is coded with two different letters. That is the meaning. Let's understand that here M. So M preceded and after the letter, before letter and after letter is L. L M N. So E, if you go through that preceded and succeeded, if you go through that preceded E and next letter is F. So every time in this particular question they consider previous letter and next letter, guys. Same way, how test is coded. And you know that it is a 20th letter. According to that information, we require 19th and 21. So STU. So we require SU in the option. Eliminate. Eliminate. We have two options still, C and D. So E, you know that it's a fifth letter. Let's take the 4 and 6. Fourth letter is D. Sixth letter is F. D, F. Yes, both are same. Still, S is 19th letter. You have to take 18 and 20. 18th is R and 20th letter is D. R, T. You can find the difference in this particular option. So, R, T, S, U is the correct answer. So, this is your valid option. Very good, Divya. So, in this information, each letter is represented with two different letters in a code language. Means succeeded and preceded letter. That is an exact terminology. Find this question. Akhil, it's all about previous letter and next letter, Akhil. See, let me explain for you again. M. M, you know that it's a 13th letter. Here, each letter they coded with the two different letters. So, one letter is L, another letter is M. It's all about previous letter and next letter. That is the logic. Previous letter and next letter. Let's take that E. What is the previous letter of E? D. And next letter? What about the next letter? F. That's why they coded with a D and F. In that way, they will code. Is it clear, Akhil? If you understand, give me a thumbs up. Are you clear with this logic? Now, if typewriter is written as GBKVDIRGVI, string can be coded in that code language. Now, see, typewriter. So, T and G, V, Y and B, P and K. Guys, I will tell you one important logic regarding the alphabeticals. See, it's all about identify the opposite pair. Definitely, you can expect a logic from the opposite pair. But I will help you out. Very good, Nanadivya. But I will help you out how to remember all the 26 alphabetical. Guys, I'm using this logic to memorize all the 13 opposite pairs. First one, you know that one of the cricketer, Azharuddin, AZ is L. Opposite pair, Azharuddin. Let's take the second word, boy, gender. So boy, BY is opposite pair. Let's go for climax. CX is the opposite pair. Let me repeat my three words. First one is Azharuddin, second one is boy, third one is climax. Fourth one, you know that one of the cricketer, David Warner, DW is the opposite pair. David Warner. Fifth one, you know that see, electrical vehicle, EV vehicle. So electrical vehicle, EV is the opposite pair. Sixth letter. Let's go through the general typing test. For you, FU is the opposite pair. Let's go through that. You can take grand test exams, grand text, or otherwise you can say that Gandhi Tata. Grand test, Gandhi Tatas. So that's the opposite pair. You know the twin cities Hyderabad and Secunderabad. HS is the opposite pair. Ninth one, Indira Gandhi. You know the famous pair politician is Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi. IR is opposite pair. Tenth one, while playing a card, Jack and Queen. JQ is the opposite pair. Jack and Queen. Let's go through that. You know this person, K.A. Pal. Just remember in this way, K.A. Pal. Otherwise, Kings 11 Punjab. One of the IPL team, right? Kings 11 Punjab or K.A. Pal. Finally, let's take a man, MN. MN is the opposite pair. So I'm using all the different 13 words to memorize this logic, guys. Now you can see that T and G, Gandhi Tata or Grand Test. We know the Rajiv, definitely we required Indira. So that's why try to remember all these 13 opposite pairs to solve this kind of questions. Let me repeat. Azharuddin, boy, climax, David Warner, electrical vehicle, for you, Grand Test, Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, Jack and Queen, K.A. Pal, Mahesh and Namrata or Man. I'm using one of the celebrity couple in Telugu, Mahesh and Namrata. Otherwise, Man. Based on this logic, we can see that Secunderabad, we need Hyderabad. So, Grand Test, G. Electrical vehicle, Man. Grand Test. So, here answer HGVMT, guys. It's G. HGVMT. Yes. Let's check the option here. Sorry, it's not L, it's D. So B is the correct answer. Opposite letters. Remember that this is all about opposite letters logic. Definitely you can expect based on this logic. So try to remember all the 13 opposite pairs. Let's go through this question. See this question. If Kashmir is written as 814273 RIMSHAK, then can be written in this code language. I told you guys clearly, if you see the same letters in a given question, then the logic is directly based on position to position. Let me take the example here. Here R. If you check with the R here, R is represented 3. Let's go through the I. I is all about 5. M. So M is all about 7. So they simply written from first letter to the last letter. That's it. That's the answer. 3572418. 18. A is the correct answer. It's a reverse order. Very good, Nanadivya. It's a reverse order. Let's find the logic here. Now see, here A is 26, Sun is 27, Cat. Guys, here A is 26 is all about reverse alphabetical position. So the given logic in the question, guys, you have to take all the reverse alphabetical position. S, U, N. Let's take the alphabetical. S is 19. U, what about U? U is equal to 21. N is equal to 14. If you want the reverse alphabetical position, if you remember with the opposite pairs, then you will get the reverse alphabetical position, guys. Let's go through this data. Now see, here S. Now you know that Hyderabad and Sikandrabad. Here you have to take 8 here. Here, next one U for U, 6th letter. Reverse alphabetically 6. Man, 13th letter. Let's add all these positions. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 14 plus 13 is equal to 27. Here the logic here. Sum of reverse alphabetical position. Sum of reverse alphabetical position. That is the logic, guys. Let's go through this question. Next. If in a code language, organization is written as CBDWLQJWYQCL and operation is written as OXFBWYQCL, then how we can code it as separation? Just go through the logic. What is the logic behind this question? Now we have to identify the code language for separation. Akhil says C. C is the correct answer. Very good. Now see, understand here, in the separation, last 5 letters is ATION. ATION means last 5 letter codes is WYQCL. Eliminate D. Eliminate D. So here YQCL, EYQCL, EYQCL. So observe guys, we need WYQCL. So here A is also eliminated. So you are eliminating 3 options means here the answer is C itself. Very good. Next. Try this one. Very good, Nanakil. Now see, if A is equal to 2, M is equal to 26, Z is equal to 52. What about pen? See, A alphabetical is 1, M alphabetical is 13, Z alphabetical is 26. If you multiply by 2, then you will get the code. So 13 into 2, 26 into 2, it becomes 52. Here, instead of B is equal to 2, you have to consider 4. E is 5, 5 into 2 is 10. T is 20, 20 into 2 is equal to 40. If you go through the sum, it becomes 54. Yes, very good. 54 is the correct answer. Next one. Now see this question. In a particular way of coding, the word central is coded as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Plan atrium is coded as H, G, F, C, B, D, E, F, I, J, K. Then how the same code is coded as lateral? Lantern. Find the code like this. Very good, Nanasudha. Find the code like this. Now see guys, in this particular word central, here they given as plan atrium. Then you have to identify the lantern. I told you if you want to find any logic in this particular question, verify whether these letters are repeated in the given code like this. Yes, you can able to see that. See LA, LA. Here you can see that LA. So let's check with the code language for LA. In this particular information, FG definitely this is GF. So definitely this is GF. So you can code it directly guys. A is coded as F, L is coded as G. So answer F. So here according to this question GF is required. So all the options is carrying GF. Let's find that NT. So what about the N here? Here third letter, what is the third letter here? C, GFC, 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 GFC. Yes, we can see the common thing. Next, D is also common. D is also common, right? Now identify the fifth letter, E. So what is the code language for E? If you go through that E here, so E is the second letter is represented for B. So GFCB. So we required fourth position must be B. So fifth position must be B. So here C eliminated, A eliminated. Either it can be a B or D, guys. Now tell me, is it a B or D? Just go with the last letter N. So according to this information, N is coded as C. So we required last letter must be C. B is the correct answer. Next, try to solve this question. In a certain code language, blood is written as EIRLG. Then how will the word period be written in that code language? Now see, second letter, 12th letter, 15th letter, 15th letter, 4th letter. E is 5th, I is 9, R is 18, L is 12, G is 7. Definitely it is a plus 3, but it's a minus 3. It's a plus 3, minus 3, plus 3. Period, 16th letter, E 5th letter, R 18, I 9, O 15, D 4. Let's go through the plus 3, it become 19th letter is S. Let's go for minus 3, it's a second letter, so second letter is B. So we required SB. Eliminate D, eliminate C. Again plus 3 is 20, first letter is U. Next one, minus 3. 9 minus 3 is the sixth letter is F. Eliminate A and B is the correct answer. Don't go for the remaining letters. It's a time waste. You have to choose the correct answer, right? So you can stop the calculation here. Don't go for next addition and minus 3. It's a time waste. You will get the answer right, then you can choose the answer. Next, try this question. Now see this question. In a certain code language, incorporate is written as HCGJSUSHXHO. Helmet is written as LOFDOH. How will the word molten can be written in that code language? Again go through that. TET. Here OH, definitely this is HO and OH. So you can say directly that it is coded exactly letter to the letter. Means I is H and should be replaced C and C should be replaced G. You can take directly letter to the letter code like this. What about that molten? M. So third letter. What is the third letter? D. O. Let's check with the O here. Here O is the fourth letter, right? Fourth letter is J. So D, J we require. A eliminated, C eliminated, D eliminated, and you can choose the option. B is the correct answer. Next, try this question. Now see here, if A is equal to 1, FAT is equal to 27. What about faith? Again, they consider alphabetical position. Reason C. F is sixth letter, A first letter, T 20th letter, some value is 27. What about the faith? Sixth letter, first letter, ninth letter, 20th letter, and eighth letter. 20 plus 9, 29, 30. So 30 plus 14. So total value become 14. Next, try this question. Now here are the questions. If paper is written as OZODQ, how pencil can be written in that code? Let me take the positions again. P16, A1, P16, E5, R18. O 15th letter, J 26th letter, O 15th letter, D 4th letter, Q 17th letter. It's all about minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Every time they consider preceded value. Now pencil 16th letter, we have to consider 15th letter. Previous letter is O. E fifth letter and you have to take D. Previous letter is D. N 14th letter you have to consider 13th letter. 13th letter is M. C you already know the third letter is previous B. I 12th letter you have to take King's 11 puncher. So L is L. So last letter is K and we missed that I, right. So I is ninth letter we have to consider previous H. So answer ODMPHK. BHK. So D is the suitable answer. Solve this question. In a coding system, pen is written as NZO. Bark is coded as CTSL. How we can write prank in the code like this? 16th letter, 5th letter, 14th letter can be coded as 14th letter and 26th letter and O is 15th letter. Same way, bark, second letter, first letter, 18th letter and K is all about 11th letter. Let's go through that. This is third letter and 20th letter, S is 19th letter, and L is 12th letter. Now, what about the question related for prank? And most of the students they are trying to find the logic in these particular two data, guys, but it wastes your time. I told you if any question carries the same letters in code part, then write down the language directly, guys. Prank, you can see P here, R here, A here, N here, K here. You can see all the letters in within the question. Then why you guys are finding the logic? It's a time waste. So here directly P can be coded as N, R can be coded as S, A can be coded as T. So answer NST. So eliminate, eliminate, eliminate. Suitable answer is C. Don't find the logic. If letters which are related within the question, then find the logic within the codes. That's it. Let's go through this question. Odd one out. You guys tell me, find the odd pair of the letters from given alternative. Here the given information is all about dollar, rupee, pound and gram. Tell me which one is complete. Odd one is out. Odd one out is all about different guys. One element is different when compared to the remaining one. So what about the answer? See guys here, dollar, rupee and pound is related to the currencies. Now, definitely, gram is different than these three. Why? Because here gram is all about weights. That's why gram is odd one. Yes, good. Very good. Next, tell me that according to this pattern, what can be the next number? 81, 64, 100, 125, 121. What can be the next number? Guys, share this information with your friends and support our channel, guys. Now, see, it's all about a combination of square numbers and cube numbers, right? So, this is C, 9 square. So, this is 10 square. This is 11 square. So, this is all about 6 cube. So, definitely this is 5 cube and 6, 5. So, definitely next number must be cube of the decreasing series. It's all about alternative squares and cubes, right? So, 6 cube, 5 cube, 4 cube. 4 cube is all about, sorry guys, give me a second. I made a mistake here. 4 cube, 5 cube and 6 cube, increasing order. It's alternative squares and alternative cubes. 6 cube is all about 260. Next, 81 is represented 729. How 49 is coded as? You see, guys, you can solve in a different way, guys. Let me tell you one of the different approach. You can think in this way. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Cube of that number is 729. Why? Because you will get the logic, right? Analogy is all about continue the same pattern here, means relation. Here 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. 13 cube is equal to 2197. But you can't see that option. So definitely this is not the right logic. Then you have to change the logic. Don't think that it's a wrong question. You have to change the logic. See what I observe here. It's a 9 square and a 9 cube. Just consider the 9 and write down the square and cube numbers. Same way, while seeing the 49, you know that it's a square of that 7. Square of 7 is equal to 49. So according to the relation, you have to write down the cube. Cube of 7 is equal to 343. That's the logic. Next. Now tell me that which one is odd one out here. So here we have Arctic, Atlantic and Indian and Greenland. So which one is odd one? Yes, very good guys. Here, Arctic and Atlantic and Indian, all three are related to the oceans. So Greenland is a country. Very good. So that's one is odd one. Next. Leg, hand, brain, ear. So which one is odd one out here? Very good, Anasuka. So which one is odd one out? Leg, hand, brain, ear. So if you go through that leg, hand, ear. So external. These are external organs. So these are the external organs in the body, on the body. So brain is inside that. That's why brain is different. Very good. Just find that which one is the missing one here. B, E, H, K, N. According to the series, what can be the next letter? Now see, you know that B is the second letter, right? E fifth letter, H is eighth letter, 11th letter, 14th letter. Let's go through that. Every time it maintained a difference of 3 units. Now 14 plus 3, 17th letter. You know that 17th letter is Q. Next. Answer please. Akil, very good. Subhina, very good. See here, R is 18, N is 14. So both are represented alphabetical position. So here Bal. So here first second letter B, first letter A, 12th letter L, 12th letter L, sum become 27. What about go? 7th letter plus 15th letter is equal to 22nd letter. Let's see this question from ranking concept. Now see 45 girls are sitting in a row. If Radha is sitting 21st position from left end, then what is her position from right end? Now in this question you have to include Radha. Remember that point. Now in a row total there are 45 girls. If we count the Radha from left end, exact position is 20. It means 21st. It means here left side of Radha there are 20 people. And according to the data, total count is exactly equal to 45. Now 20 plus 1 is 21. So definitely right side of Radha we have 24. Then only you will get total count is 40. Here the question, what is the position from right side? So you have to include the Radha also. So don't choose your option 24. If you include the Radha, her position is 25th from right hand. Next. Now see, if 15th August is third Monday, then what is the date? Will be 3 days after the third Tuesday of the same month. Guys, they are talking about after, not exactly third day. Let's see, 15th is third Monday, right? They are talking about Tuesday. So definitely 16th is third Tuesday. So what is exactly 3 days? If you they are talking about exact third day means date is 19th. But they are talking about what is the day means what is the date after 3 days of third Tuesday. After means you have to choose your answer is 20. Exactly third means it's a 19th of August. After 3 days means it's all about 20th. After you have to add one more day. Remember that. Again, pick odd one out. So which one is odd one? Guys, I'm just leaving this question for you. Just try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. I need your explanation also why you are choosing this one as an odd one. Next, coal black, limestone. What is the relation here? Now see coal. So here the color of coal is represented black, limestone is all about white. It's a represented color. Find the missing number here. Very good, Ranadhir. Find out the missing number in the given responses. So 21, 24, 36, 11, 14, 12. 3 missing number 4, 77, 14, 112, 108. Here you can go through the column approach or row approach. If you go through that, see here, rows. We have a 4 rows. Maybe see, there are 3 columns. Means there is a possibility, guys. If you use any 2 boxes, it gives the other resultant. Otherwise, if you go for the column guys, you have to use 3 boxes to give final box resultant. Use any mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Now see here the logic. See, you should understand that here 21, 11, and 3. So 3, if you go through that 7 multiple means 21 by 3 is equal to 7. 7 into 11 is all about 77. Let's go through that. 4 it become 9 times. 9 into 12 is equal to 108. What is the approach here? If 24 is divided by x multiplied with a 14, then it becomes 112. Is it clear? Now 14 exactly 8 times. Now 8 exactly 3 times. Now what about the x value? Is it 3? Is it clear? This is one of the most important and one of the previous year question guys. Let's go through that. Find out the missing letter in the given response. Find the missing letter. Now see here, B is second letter, D fourth letter, and G is seventh letter. H8, J10, N13, N14, P16. So if you observe the series here, plus 2, plus 3, plus 2, plus 3. We are done with the plus 2, we have to add plus 3. So 19th letter is S. That is the logic. Again, try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. Solve this question also, guys. How you will get boxer become 64 based on the same logic apply here. Identify the code language for player. Comment your answer after the session. On to the next question. Now see, complete the series 1, 9, 25, 49, 81. So this is all about 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, 9 square. It is related to the odd numbers. 11 square is 121. Series linear arrangement. Now see, total there are 6 persons. So they are sitting in a row. So they are not mentioned any specific direction. According to our right and left, all are facing north. SZ are in the center. S, Z are in the center. S, Z are in the center. Let's take it this way. A, P are at the ends. We can conclude that A, P are at the ends. Next one, R is sitting left of A, guys. R is sitting left of A. We need a person left of A. So definitely you have to confirm A. If you take A here, there is a no left side position, right? So you can conclude AP position. Now R is left of A. You can conclude R here. So there is a one person left in the arrangement A, P, R, X, Z, S. So you can conclude it here X. Another question. Who is to the right of P? According to this information and option, right of P is X. Very good. Next. Go through this question. You guys tell me which one is the wrong number in this series. Wrong number in the series. Find the wrong number. Now see 121, 144, 169, 225, 256 is all about perfect square numbers except 195. See, this is all about 11 square, 12 square, 13 square, 15 square, 16 square. So these are the perfect square numbers, and you know that 14 square is all about 196. But instead of 196 they given 195. That's why it is a wrong one. Just tell me that what are the next four letters according to this question? Now we have to fill four letters. So what are those four letters? You have to choose according to this question. Now see, if you observe the entire sequence, guys, here second letter and fourth letter is constant. It's all about L A. Next one, E F is a sequence. E F G H I J K L. That's it. So answer K double L A. Tell me which pair is does not belongs to the others. Next. 7 is represented 49, 525, 11, 121, 9, 81. So which one is does not belongs to the pair? Now see, except B, remaining all are represented perfect square numbers. 7 square 49, 11 square 121, 9 square 81. So 5 is represented cube of that number 125. That's why B is not a suitable answer. So that is completely different when compared to the remaining. Find the logic here. Select the option which shares the relationship as shared by the given pair. 12, 24. Then represented same relation here. Which of the following option it is? Now see here 12, 24. You can see that sum of the numbers always equal to 36. So that is not here. Here the sum value. 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. 18 plus 8 is 36. But verify the remaining also. So 17 plus 27 is more than 36. So this is also more than 36. So it represents the same relation here. So B is the suitable answer. Let's see this question. Look at the series 22, 21, 23, 22, 24, 23. According to the pattern, which number you can see in the next position? This is all about alternative 22, 23, 24, 25, 21, 22, 23. If you want the next number, so here 25 and 24 itself. But according to that, one position is 25. Find the odd one out here. Choose the odd one out. Handle, engine, wheel, bike. See, handle, engine, wheel are parts of the bike, right? That's why bike is different. That's the odd one. University is 0976854321. How trusty is written in that code? According to that code language, what can be the answer? I told you guys, if you see the word within the question, then the logic can follow as position to the position. So trusty STY. Let's take that STY. 421. So we required 421. So we can see that 421 here. Then the suitable answer is 250. 250 421. Suitable answer A. In a given letters represented the numerical below them. R T S U V A P is 8520679. Then 5760 is represented which of the four letters? Answer this question. You can see these numbers in within the question. Then 5 is represented. See, second letter is T. 7 last but one A. 6 previous letter V. 0 it's all about you. So T A V U. T A V U is the correct answer. Okay, the last question. You guys are tell me which one is completely different than other. Here the words are Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Ladakh. Yes, here the simple answer. Ladakh is Union Territory. So Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai all belongs to the cities or capitals. You can say that. Maharashtra, Mumbai, Karnataka, Bangalore, Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Those are the capitals, but Ladakh is the Union Territory. Guys, hope you enjoy the session. After the session, I will upload this PDF in my Telegram channel, guys. Simply search V2VVK. You can see Vision to Victory content and updates. So just follow my channel, means Telegram channel. You can download the material, and I will update most of the job notification informations in my Telegram. Search V2VVK. You can find my channel. Same as follow us in the Instagram. This is my Instagram ID, Vision to Victory. You can find the information through Insta also. And all the information available in Instagram and WhatsApp and Telegram also. So kindly support our channel and share this information with your friends, guys. So please download this material. Once you practice, you can able to answer any questions related to the upcoming examinations. So that's it. Until the next session, have a nice day. Good night, guys.